Today I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why you may need a website maintenance contract. So are you or your team members managing your company website by yourself? If so, here's a short video highlighting 3 reasons why having a website maintenance contract will actually help you in the long run. I think the first and probably the most important reason is that it will actually save you precious time. You can just delegate the work to grow. We have a team of expert developers and designers on hand, and they can work on anything to do with your website, whether that's minor tweaks to the design, adding a small feature here or there, or fixing a bug. Just send it to us and we'll get the work done. The second reason is to keep in line with new technologies. So if you have a website maintenance contract with us, you will get notified of any new technology that you should implement within your site. For example, if there's a new sales CRM that can now integrate with websites, or a new social media feature that now links to your site, we will inform you of these developments. We are always on the pulse, constantly looking for new ways to improve your website. The third reason is server downtime monitoring. So we host most of our websites in the UK. It's with our partner Rackspace. So if one server goes down, you'll always have a backup. We also provide 24/7 assistance as well. So by any chance the website goes down, just contact the team at Grow. We'll take that stress away and they'll just sort it out immediately. If you're interested in any other reasons why a maintenance contract will be handy, read more below and feel free to reach out to us today. We'd be happy to help you.